back to my channel. So without blabbering much, let's jump into the tutorial. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Camouflage Concealer Palette and I'm concealing my eyelids. Also I will set it with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Moving ahead, I'm going to use the Nicka K Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette and taking that burnt orange eyeshadow color, I'm going to apply that all over my crease and extend it towards the outside. I'm taking my sweet little time in softening out the edges so that there are no harsh lines. On top of the orange, I'm going to be taking the yellow color and I'm going to apply that all over the orange to blend that even more. Then I'm going to take the chocolate brown eyeshadow color and I'm going to apply that on the outer corners of my eyes. First I'm going to place it on the outer corners and then I'm going to blend that with my crease color. Now I'm going to use the same concealer that I had used previously to set my lids and I'm going to cut my crease and be very careful while cutting it so that you don't mess up the other eyeshadows. Next I'm taking this beautiful shimmer color and I'm going to apply that on the concealed part of my lids. To be very honest, this color isn't that pigmented, but after layering it up for a couple of times you do get the desired color. Now in this look, a liner is optional, but I thought a liner would look better, so I went ahead and used this Lakme liner to draw a very sweet elongated wing liner. Next up, I'm using this Blue Heaven Soft Kajal eyeliner and it isn't that pigmented, but after again layering it for a couple of times you do get the desired color. So I'm applying that on my lower lash line and then I will extend it below my lower lash line to intensify the color even more. Then I am going to take some blue eyeshadow and set my blue kajal where I had applied it. Then I'm using this Temptation mascara by Maybelline and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. Then I am applying this toner by It's Skin and after that I'm going to apply the creme that is also by It's Skin. Both of these come in one kit and these are sample sizes, so I'm applying both of them to prep my skin before the foundation. For my primer, I'm using the Master Prime by Maybelline and this one is the green variant. I love this one more because it covers the redness of my skin. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm blending that all over my face. Then I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Eraser by Maybelline and this is one of the best concealers out there in the market. I've been using it for a while now and I love it. For my blush, I'm using this SFR color, Pure Color blusher. I don't have the shade name, it doesn't have actually, and I got this randomly over Flipkart, so if you search it by this company name you might get it. So yeah. For my highlighter, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter Kit. Again, I don't really know the shade number actually, but I will list everything in the info box below, so do check that out. And I'm using that to highlight my entire face. For my lipstick, I'm using this one by Maybelline, and this one's shade name is Truly MLBB. And I'm going to use two lip colors, and first is this and the second one is 660 Touch of Spice, and that one is also by Maybelline. And Touch of Spice is my all-time go-to favorite makeup, I mean lipstick. Like this tutorial, and don't forget to give this video a big like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.